Dumela, Dumela. Hello, Dumelang, Dumelang. Hello to two or more people. Mma, Mma, Madam. Rra, Rra, Sir. Le, and. Dumelang bomma, Dumelang bomma. Hello to two or more women. Dumelang borra, Dumelang borra. Hello to two or more men. Dumelang borra le bomma, Dumelang borra le bomma. Hello to two or more of both sexes. Dumelang borra lemma, Dumelang borra lemma. Hello to two men and one woman. Dumelang bomma lerra, Dumelang bomma lerra. Hello to two women and one man. Ke a leboga, Ke a leboga. Thank you. Greetings are very important in Setswana culture. When you arrive, villagers will greet you and you will be expected to greet them in return.
The first greeting you need to know is Dumela. You'll use Dumela when saying hello to one person. When saying hello to more than one person, you'll say Dumelang.
Also, when you greet a woman, you will refer to her as Mma. And when you greet a man, you will refer to him as Rra.
When talking to more than one man, you should refer to them as Borra. When talking to more than one woman, you should refer to them as Bomma. And the Setswana word for end, which is Le, if you are talking to a man and a woman, for example, hello men and women, Dumelang, Borra, le bomma.
Now let's review. There are two women and you want to say hello. What do we say?
There are two men and one woman you want to greet. What would you say?
Ke a leboga.
That is Setswana for thank you.